In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Task Manager in Windows 10. This is an essential tool for troubleshooting, managing and understanding the processes running on your computer, so I'm excited to walk you through this process step by step. Whether you've encountered a slow program or simply want to see what's happening under the hood of your system, Task Manager is the place to go. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first want to direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the bar that stretches across the bottom of your desktop, usually filled with icons representing open applications or pinned shortcuts. Find an open space on this taskbar that's not crowded with icons. Once you've located an empty spot, use your mouse to right-click on that area. Right-clicking is done by pressing the right button of your mouse, or if you're using a trackpad, it may involve a two-finger tap or a click on the bottom right corner, depending on your settings. This action is going to reveal a context menu. That's a list of options related to the taskbar. Now, with the menu open in front of you, look for the option that says Task Manager. It's usually positioned towards the lower half of the list that appears after right-clicking. If anything here seems a bit confusing, take a moment to move through the list slowly. The Task Manager option should be easy to spot. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Task Manager will open up the Task Manager window, which provides you with a plethora of information about your computer's performance and the activities currently running. Here, you can get insights into CPU and memory usage or terminate unresponsive programs. It's a fairly powerful tool for keeping your system in check or diagnosing issues as they arise. Remember, if the simplified version of the Task Manager opens up, you might notice it shows only a basic list of apps. To expand all the details, you can click on More Details at the bottom of the Task Manager window. This will give you access to several tabs that offer detailed performance graphs, startup impact insights, and even the ability to enable or disable programs from launching at startup. And there you have it, you've successfully opened Task Manager in Windows 10. You can now explore its features and begin to monitor and manage your system processes effectively. Closing it is simple too, just click the X in the top right corner as you would with any other window. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Happy computing,